Here's a probability problem that uses combinations to find the sample space and the number of successes. So for this problem we have that a city council consists of 8 Democrats and 6 Republicans. If a committee of 7 is selected, find the probability of selecting 4 Democrats and 3 Republicans. I'm going to look for the number of successes first on this problem. I'll put a blank for Democrats and a blank for Republicans. And I'll write Democrats, I'll abbreviate it with DEMO, and Republicans, REP, under the 2 different blanks. For this problem, let's see, there are 8 Democrats, so we'll do 8 combination. We want the probability of selecting 4 Democrats, 8 combination 4. We're going to multiply that by the number of ways to select 3 Republicans. There are 6 Republicans, so we'll do 6 combination 3 for the number of Republicans. On the calculator, I'm going to use the combination key. I'll put in 8, shift, I'll press the NCR, put in 4, press equals, and I get there are 70 ways to select 4 Democrats from 8 Democrats. For the number of Republicans, I'm going to put in 6 Republicans, shift, select the combination key, put in 3, press equals, and there are 20 ways to select 3 Republicans from 6 Republicans. So let's multiply 70 times 20, and that'll give us the number of successes, 1,400 successes. For the sample space, we're just going to include everybody. Everybody has the same chance of being selected, and we're selecting 7 people at this point. So there are 14 people altogether with the 8 Democrats and the 6 Republicans. So 14 combination 7 would be the total number of ways to select 7 people from 14 people. I'll put in 14 in the calculator and select the combination key, put in the 7, press equals, and the total number of ways to select this committee is 3,432 ways. The probability that we get 4 Democrats and 3 Republicans on the committee is going to be 1,400 over 3,432. Now we need to type a fraction into the computer and simplify the answer. I'm looking at this fraction that I've been given, and I know right away that I can divide by 2 for sure, and in fact I can divide this fraction by 4, the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator. So let me reduce by 4 first. 1,400 divided by 4, and 3,432 divided by 4. So the denominator is going to give me 858. The numerator, 1,400 divided by 4, will be 350. Now since both numbers are still even, I can reduce by 2 again. So 350 divided by 2. 350 divided by 2 is 175, and 858 divided by 2 is 429. Now I have to kind of determine if this fraction is now in lowest form. I'm looking at 175, and I'm thinking, now that's 25 times 7. And 25 is 5 times 5. I'm going to kind of write that here. 175 is 5 times 5 times 7. So if this fraction can be reduced, it would have to be reduced by either 5 or 7. Well, I know 429 does not reduce by 5 because it does not end in a 5 or a 0. Let me check on the calculator, 429 divided by 7. And 429 does not divide evenly by 7. So 175 over 429 is the reduced answer for this problem.